This is a video that is going to help you when you are doing a preparedness self-assessment. So you will have one copy of this document, and then you'll do all of your preparedness self-assessments in here. Starting right at the top, for your score to be entered in PowerSchool and it to be counted as complete, and your hard, diligent work to be reflected, you need to complete the scale and the reflection. That means that you'll need to do this part, and you'll also need to do the reflection part down here. In this screenshot right here is an example of a completed self-assessment. The elements or spaces highlighted in blue, so something that looks like this, need to be completed. So you need to have the date range. On the assignment in PowerSchool, in the information section will be a date range. You need to tell me, do the combination of your learning habits prevent your learning and the learning of others? Do they inhibit your learning and have somewhat of a negative impact on others? Do they support your learning and overall support the class environment and let others learn? Or do they enhance your learning, like you're doing really great, you're learning a lot, you're trying your hardest, and you're helping out others and supporting others as well. You also need to do the reflection down at the bottom. It is the same prompt each time, but it says, what did you learn about yourself as a student and how can it help you move forward? And you'll type that down there. So whether it's something very specific to global studies or overall, like, man, I gotta get more sleep, this is not going well. And then whatever you've learned, how can it help you move forward? What changes are you gonna make? Filling out your scale is based on these learning habits. So the learning habits that the scale talks about for whether they prevent, inhibit, support, or enhance your learning are right here. There are 5 of them. I try my best. I'm curious, willing to learn, and I use my learning log. I participate meaningfully and respectfully in our class environment with technology use. I'm engaged in my learning and have what I need to succeed. I'm able to practice managing my time and being self-directed. So do the combination of these things prevent? Means it doesn't really happen, can't get there. Do your learning, do they inhibit your learning so you can learn, but maybe the combination of how these are showing up in your day kind of slows down your learning or doesn't let you learn as much as you could? Do they support your learning? They let you learn, they let you do what you need to do? Or do they enhance your learning, like you're really taking charge of your learning, you're getting something out of it, and you're helping others learn as well? And then again, the reflection question is right here. What did you learn about yourself as a student or as a learner, and how can it help you move forward? So that's a video. And then one last thing, I'm sorry. Every time that you do a preparedness, you're going to do it right here under this heading. So what you will do is say that this one is filled out. You're going to Control-C, copy, or go here, edit, copy. Then you're going to go down. Boom. You can put the newest assessment on top. You can put the newest assessment on the bottom. It's up to you as long as you're consistent. But you'll have one document that will have a kind of a trail of your self-assessments. As always, let me know where you're confused or what I can do to help.